Exploring the impact of heat waves is a crucial topic, as it is a silent killer that often goes underreported compared to more dramatic events like floods. The data shows a clear and concerning trend. 1. The alarming trend, increasing frequency and intensity. The data from the last 2 decades paints a grim picture of a rapidly intensifying threat. Linear increase over the last 40 years, 1981 to 2022. Heat extremes in India have increased linearly, leading to significant heat waves in 2013, 2016, 2019, 2022, and 2024. The urban heat island effect, a particularly troubling trend, is the faster rise of very warm nights compared to very hot days. This is especially true in densely populated urban areas, like Mumbai and Delhi, which trap heat during the day and release it at night. This lack of nighttime recovery makes it harder for the human body to cope with the heat. Climate change as a driver. A recent study from September 2025 revealed that human induced climate change has made India's heat waves far more frequent and intense. The study notes that without human driven warming, several of India's recent heat events would have been virtually impossible. 2. The public health crisis. Heat waves have a direct and devastating impact on public health, often leading to a significant increase in deaths and illnesses. Rising mortality. A study from April 2025 showed that heat-related deaths are severely underreported. While official data may show a few hundred deaths, research indicates that a single heat wave can lead to an estimated 3,400 excess deaths nationally. Vulnerable populations. The most at-risk groups are infants, young children, the elderly, and outdoor workers, such as farmers and daily wage laborers. These individuals are less able to escape the heat or are more physiologically vulnerable to its effects. Worsening existing conditions. Heat stress places a significant burden on the body, which can exacerbate existing chronic conditions like respiratory, cardiovascular, and kidney diseases. Heat can also indirectly impact health by leading to contaminated food and water, increasing the risk of foodborne illnesses. 3. Policy and mitigation efforts. In response to the growing threat, both central and state governments have initiated various plans and advisories. Heat Health Action Plans, HHAPs. Cities like Ahmedabad have implemented HHAPs, which include a multi-pronged approach of early warning systems, public awareness campaigns, and medical preparedness. These plans have shown success in reducing heat-related deaths by up to 27%. Advisories and awareness. Government agencies, including the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, issue public advisories that recommend staying hydrated, avoiding strenuous activity during peak hours, and wearing light-colored, loose-fitting clothes. Lack of uniform data. A major challenge is the lack of a unified system for tracking heat-related deaths. Different government bodies, example, NCRB, IMD, report widely varying figures, which makes it difficult to assess the true scale of the problem and implement effective policies.